Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amar from TecHeal again. Today we are presenting another one of our extreme PC build powered by Intel Core i9 9700F and 16 gigs of DDR4, 3200 mHz RAM with 250 gigs of SSD drive and 1 terabyte of hard drive. As you can see, the build, it looks like good and amazing, and it's a really good build for a lot of game. It can like easily go above like 100 FPS. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention it also has a GTX 1660 Super. So yeah, that's an amazing graphics card for almost all of the games out there if you can just modify the settings and everything. But yeah, it's an amazing build, and as you can see a little bit of closer to the builds, you can see we have the Antec cooler and the graphics card, their Seasonic power supply, the HDD, and the SSD M2 SSDs over there as well. So yep, you can see that it looks really good. As far as about gaming and stuff like that goes, so TecHeal is a company that specializes on gaming products, whether it's gaming computers, monitors, keyboards, or mouse. So we do have like a lot of solutions for gamers. If you have any questions or anything regarding gaming, just let us know and we will try our best to help you out. And we do provide shipping all over Canada and the States. So if you have any questions, you can just visit our website. The links are in the description. The link for this build as well as the link for the website and how to contact us are all in the description. You can either contact us through our website, we have our Facebook page, or Instagram, or you can send us an email, or you can even text us on the contact number on our website. So and we'll be able to reply back to you and provide you with a great solution for your gaming need. All we need to know is what type of games you play and what's your budget and what type of gaming you want to do in the future. You want to stream or just want to play games online. So yeah, just a little bit of things you need to tell us for us to help you out with regarding your gaming PC build, and we guarantee you that you will have a wonderful experience. You can check our reviews on Facebook and Google. We provide one of the best services possible out there and do not charge a lot of money as compared to if you were to buying pre-builds all over the place. But yeah, so if you have any questions, please do let us know, guys. And once again, this is a really good build and the links are in the description for everything. You can please let us know if you have any questions or comments, and please do subscribe and subscribe to our channel and go to our Facebook page, visit our website to see more amazing builds, and hope to see you guys in the future with more amazing content. So please be safe in this coronavirus situation, and yep, we'll see you later next time with another amazing build. Bye.